Hello students, I am Ritika Gaur. As we have started chapter Minerals and Energy Resources from Geography, and we have already covered the topic Minerals and its conservation from our previous video. So now we will continue this chapter with the topic Energy Resources. So let's start with the understanding of the concept in detail. Energy is defined as the ability to do work, whereas work is defined as the transfer of energy. Energy is required for many activities like to cook, to provide light and heat, to propel vehicles, to drive machinery in industries, etc. Thus, it is very important to understand the concept of energy as resource. Energy as resource can be further classified into conventional and non-conventional sources. Conventional sources of energy are not present in the environment in abundance. However, their uses are unlimited. On the contrary, non-conventional energy resources are the resources present in the environment in large quantity but are used for limited purpose only. The examples of conventional sources are like firewood, petroleum, cattle, dung, natural gas, etc. And the examples of non-conventional sources are like solar, wind, tidal energy, geothermal, biogas, and atomic energy. Students, here you can see a few examples of conventional sources of energy which we will be going to study in detail in this video. They are like coal, petroleum, natural gas, and electricity. Let's start with our first conventional source of energy, students, that is coal. Coal is formed by the compression of plant material over millions of years, and therefore it is found in variety of forms depending on the degree of compression, depth, and time of burial. Or we can say in simple terms the moisture content and heating capacity. So, according to the above features, anthracite is the highest quality hard coal. Then comes bituminous, then lignite, and at last peat, which has least carbon content, high moisture, and very low heating capacity. Coal is used for power generation to supply energy to industries as well as for domestic needs. India is that's why highly dependent on coal because of its large population. In India, coal occurs in rock series of two main geological ages, namely they are Gondwana age and Tertiary age. Coal is a bulky material which loses weight on use as it reduces to ashes. Hence, heavy industries and thermal power stations are usually located on or near coal fields. Now, students, let's study about another conventional source of energy, that is petroleum. Petroleum is considered as the next major resource after coal in India. It provides fuel for heat, lighting, and manufacturing industries. Petroleum refineries act as nodal industry for synthetic textile, fertilizer, and chemical industries. Other important data related to petroleum is given in this slide. Natural gas is a mixture of gases which are rich in hydrocarbons. All these gases like methane, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, etc. are naturally found in atmosphere. Natural gas reserves are deep inside the earth near other solid and liquid hydrocarbon beds like coal and crude oil. It is formed when layers of decomposing plant and animal material are exposed to intense heat and pressure under the surface of earth over millions of years. In India, large reserves of natural gas have been discovered in Krishna Godavari basin, Mumbai High, etc. Hazira Vijaypur Jagdishpur is the longest pipeline that transports natural gas from Hazira in Gujarat to Jagdishpur in UP via Vijaypur in Madhya Pradesh. So at last, students, Let's complete the conventional sources of energy with the electricity portion. Electricity is generated mainly by two ways: by fast flowing water, known as hydroelectricity, and by using coal, petroleum, and natural gas, known as thermal electricity. In our country, there are over 300 thermal power plants working right now. Its per capita consumption, that is, electricity's per capita consumption, is also considered as an index of development. So now students, you need to write the answers of the questions given in checkpoint with the reference from which is given in the video. Thank you.